Hey everybody, it's Laney with Laney Seafood Guys. Today we're back with another episode of Simple Seafood and we're making a smoked salmon dip. So for this, you're gonna have smoked salmon. This is an 8-ounce package. You're gonna use about 3/4 of it. You can always add more if you want. A tablespoon of lemon juice and 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/3 cup of sour cream, and in here we have 1.5 tablespoons of dill and 1.5 tablespoons of green onions. And lastly, we have our smoked salmon right there. And we're gonna add a little white pepper to taste. We're all done with our smoked salmon dip. We just put it on some Ritz crackers. You can use any crackers you'd like, and this is a great option for an appetizer. Enjoy!